I've been here at Rock and Joe since before we opened to the public. Me and Aaron that's here are the only two that are left from the original group of people. It started in the 90s, in the early 90s in New Jersey by a guy who liked rock and roll music and coffee, so he decided to combine his two loves into Rock and Joe. And it was bought by the same company that owns Vicelli's Pizza in 2013, and they've started expanding, so that's how we ended up in Pittsburgh. We've been open now since January of 2016.
I love my regulars. I get to tease them, make fun. They're fun. Get to know their drinks, get to know a little bit about their life, which is nice. You get to have that actual human interaction, which kind of is dwindling at this point.
Things I love most about working here are getting to interact with the people and getting to do latte art, because not a lot of coffee places do the latte art, so it's really fun.
It gets people to actually look at their drink. It's a little bit different than other coffee shops. It's kind of the third wave thing. I would say the cold brew or one of our artisan drinks would definitely get somebody back in the door.